My name is Michael Hill. We're the Hill family. We're from the east of England, from the town of Ipswich. We're on holiday here. We're staying 7 days in the area and we're cycling throughout the region. We're all holidaying here because the scenery is so fantastic. The Crimmel waterfall, this one, the mountains, the valleys, the rivers, absolutely fantastic, beautiful. Okay, we're staying in the area and we've been cycling. We're hiking through the valley. We've done quite a lot of walking so far. We're hoping to go on the rivers and up into the Hohentowen Valley, and yeah, keeping fit.
We've been doing a lot of walking. I've been getting really tired out. Doing a lot of cycling, swimming, eating. The food's really nice. We're having a lot of schnitzel. Yeah, so eating, reading books, relaxing. We've been going on a special cycle path, and we're doing 30 kilometres today and some more tomorrow and the next day and the next day.
I made my family come on this cycling holiday, and so far they're really enjoying it because it's loads of air, mountain air. It's really good for them, and we're having a bit of a laugh as well. It's the perfect family holiday, really is.